Temps this morning are pretty warm already in the mid-60s to low 70s. It's 71 right now in Baraboo, 69 in the capital, 65 for Monroe, 66 in Platteville. Falling to 59, though, a little more refreshing in Montello, but hot weather expected region-wide with full sunshine and a wind picking up out of the south, getting those temperatures to rise hour by hour. Upper 70s at 8 a.m., upper 80s already by noon for lunchtime, and we'll get to around 93 later this afternoon, which is flirting with record territory and still in the 80s as we get towards sunset. Yesterday, we broke the record by 2 degrees, got up to 94. The old record was 92, set back in 1960. Today, we'll get close. The current record is 94, set in 1925, so we'll see what happens. And then for the first day of school, just as hot, up to 93, and the current record for tomorrow is 93 as well, set back in 1954. So beyond Tuesday, a little milder, but yeah, still several more hot days to go before we can finally call it quits with this late season heat wave. So sunblock needed today. Staying hydrated, of course, if you're out there. Wearing light colored and loose fitting clothing. Taking breaks if you are working outside in the air conditioning or at least in shady spots. And checking the back seat before you get out of the car, making sure everyone's exiting with you as well. So just a touch on the humid side today. Very similar dew points to what we felt on Sunday. As for tomorrow, though, it will be noticeably more humid. So temps in the low 90s could feel more like the mid to upper 90s when you factor in that climbing humidity ahead of those storm chances. Because we are so dry today, there is an elevated wildfire risk all day long, mainly north of Dane County, but I think just everyone in southern Wisconsin should avoid burns, even campfires, because of that breezy setup with these hot temps and that ongoing drought just not helping the scenario at all. A few pop-up clouds this afternoon with a bit of a breeze coming out of the south. Tomorrow, a few fair weather clouds as well, noticeably more humid. And as soon as Tuesday night, here we are around midnight, heading into early Wednesdays when we could see a few showers and storms roll on in from the west. A few more should fire up as we get towards Wednesday afternoon and evening as well. And because of how hot and humid it will be, there is a severe weather potential. A level 1 risk for Tuesday night as we look on the west side of the state, west of the Dells. And then another level 1 risk for Wednesday, generally in the afternoon and evening for Rock, Jefferson, Walworth County on the southeast side of the state. Not widespread, but again, a couple stronger storms not out of the question with that next round. Today, near record highs of 93, a bit breezy and a bit humid for your Labor Day holiday. Down to 74 tonight, and tomorrow back to 93 for the first day of school. It'll be more humid as well, so it'll feel more like the mid to upper 90s with a stray shower or storm possible late day. Better chance, though, Tuesday night and on Wednesday will fall down to the low 70s by Thursday, so a big change up later this week. Mid 70s Friday, upper 70s to low 80s as we get into the upcoming weekend. Let's get